Welcome everyone, and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials. My name is Marcos Emilio. I'm a freelance character artist working in the game industry, and I will be your instructor in this course. In this second part of this course, you will learn how to create a stylized game-ready characters ready to put in your game engine. The part 1 of this course was uploaded at an earlier date. In this course, we cover how to make this high poly character. In this course, we will cover the entire workflow for taking our high poly base and turning it into a game ready character, all narrated in real time. The key chapters are retopologizing our high poly character, unwrapping our character, making a texture from high poly to low poly on our character, texturing our entire character, adding a basic rigging and upposing our character for the final renders, and finally taking final portfolio screenshots of our character. The way that you should think about is that at the end of this course you will be able to create exactly what you see in this trailer, and you can apply these techniques for any type of stylized and even realistic 3D characters. We will be using ZBrush and Blender for the retopology, unwrapping and rigging, Substance Painter for the texturing, and Marmoset Toolbag 5 for the final renders. With a total of 39 plus hours of video content in this course, it's considered a large course, but I feel confident that at the end of this course you will have the knowledge on how to create efficient game-ready stylized characters. This course has also been completely done in real time, with not a single time lapse, so you can follow along with every single step. We also added a keyword registration, so that you can see which button we are pressing. This course is intended for intermediate artists. It is essential to have a basic understanding of the tools mentioned. This course will also come with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese, and Spanish. I hope that you will enjoy this course and it will have a positive impact on your life. Once again, my name is Marcos Emilio, and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials.